Good evening, everybody. Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update what we're going to be doing this weekend. Hopefully we're going to have good weather. It's been so rainy and cold, so we haven't really been doing much. It's like I'm getting impatient, you know, I want to work on these cars. We're going to start inventorying parts on our 1960 Hearse behind us. I have a huge pile of parts. I just want to get everything organized and see exactly what we have. If you guys haven't seen my unpacking video when we unpacked the car, that is on my channel. I will try to link it below. And then also we're going to be dropping the transmission out of our 1960 limousine this weekend because the gentleman is needing it so that we can get it rebuilt. I addressed that a little bit in my video when I took the carpet out of the car. Gonna get the carpet sent off to Caddy Daddy. So we've got lots of exciting things happening, and I'll show you guys videos every step of the way. We're also going to be turning the motor over on this beast soon. It ran a couple years back, but then it sat for a while, so I just wanted to lube it with Marvel Mystery Oil, let it sit for a while so we don't break a ring or anything like that. I'm just very careful about stuff like that. So we'll be doing that soon. I hope you guys will tune in. Also, I have more shirts and stickers on the way, so you guys who have placed new orders, just be a little bit patient because I had to order more. I went through what I had and then some. So I sent out a big batch of shirts today. If you guys don't know how to get a shirt, there's also a video for that. I just thank you guys for wanting to wear my shirts and supporting my channel. I heard from somebody tonight in Russia, and then earlier today I actually got a personal phone call from a gentleman and his wife from Greece, so that was awesome. So we're being viewed all over the world. It is so exciting, and I absolutely love talking to you guys and just hearing everybody's comments, and it's just so much fun to get to know all of you. So anyway, keep up the good work, keep talking to me. Also, if you guys are looking for any specific cars, I either have it or can find it. I have a lot of Hearses to sell, also regular cars as well. So please let me know. I will put my email in the video here in a few minutes down below. You guys can email me and tell me what you're looking for. I can pretty much find anything if I don't already have it. I have a lot of connections in the Cadillac world. So like I said, please get in touch. Let me know what you're looking for, what condition, what's your budget, things like that. I just recently sold a 62 Hearse actually today. So to a personal friend, private deal. He didn't want his name mentioned, but anyway, I will post a picture of that car here in a little bit so you guys can see that as well. So like I said, if you're looking for anything specifically, please contact the Caddy Girl. That is what I'm here for. So I hope you all have a very blessed evening, and I hope you tune in on my newest videos that are going to be coming out soon. Thank you guys so much for watching me. Take care and have a very blessed evening. Bye guys.